Sorry?
Sir, like if a person is working in an organization,
Yeah.
if a team leader is insisting you come, let's have a smoke or something like that,
Yeah.
like he's not interested in that.
Yeah.
So whether like uh, there's a situation like if he didn't go means the team leader uh, might take him like
Okay. Hold on a person. Team leader might or team leader will?
uh,
No, team leader
M-
might or team leader will. How
might
is
Maybe.
it going?
maybe
Maybe. So what happens here is so if I don't go and smoke with him, the team leader might or maybe take it negatively, which could
yeah
influence my job.
yeah
So first thing what you have to do is clarify this might and maybe.
okay
Right? So you ask him casually, sir, I know my values don't allow me to smoke. Is it okay for me? I can give you company when you're smoking to have a chat. I'll take a Coke or something else and I can be a part of the company because you might have to discuss something while you're smoking. Right? But then, sir, even it makes me a passive smoker. My family doesn't like me to, so then put in the family's name, right? My family doesn't want me to smoke. Sir, please try to understand. It's not that I don't want, I would like to smoke, but my family doesn't allow me to. He'll say, forget your family, sir. My family is most important. I'm working for you only for my family. Right? Maybe there'll be something more important for you. Sir, because I'm not smoking, because I can put complete focus on what I'm doing. If I start smoking, I've seen it is a bad experience for me. Find what is most important for you, for him, link it with the smoking which you can't, and then compare that to him. But before all that, find out if it is maybe or is it a negative impact.
okay
Right? But then if it is a negative impact, go start looking for some other job.
yeah, okay
Because anyways, he's going to kill you with passive smoking. So it's your call. You want to die there or you want to go somewhere else and die. Right? So see, guys, always. Now let me ask you a simple question, Adil. If your boss tells you take drugs, would you join?
no sir
Why no for that and smoking? Yes, maybe, maybe not. Because you don't have that clarity of smoking is good. Yeah, everyone, like I had a session with most of the IT professional, and everyone's standard is they have to smoke after the project is over. It's a smoking community, right? The smoking celebration, right? So if you are values, again, your values, when you stand values, they'll respect you back later. Oh, you have so much control, right? And it works it from there, right? See, I don't drink. I work for a Canadian company and I go to my head office every year. Everyone makes fun of me that I don't drink, right? Oh, how you're living, without drinking and all that thing. I can say, you can still see me 9 years working in the company. I'm still living, right? I can deal with water. You can't deal with water, right? But once you stand by your value, first they'll make fun of you, stay quiet. When I joined, everyone made fun of me, right? And I was by hit and hit after hit after. I was like, okay, time will come, right? And then slowly, when you know them, then you tell them the truth. I can live by water. You need alcohol, where only 99% of alcohol is water only. So I'm just filtering that alcohol part and drinking the same thing what you're drinking. Right? So that's how values. Once you know your values, it starts working on. Did I answer the question, Adil?
yes
Yeah, go ahead. Anyone else? Oh, my job is done. Muskan, come on, shoot. Or Nixon, you have any question?
No, sir, everything's clear.
Okay, ask anything from birth to death. That's what I tell people, so that you never call me again.